Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a clean base mesh. Pick Dynamesh for sculpt-friendly topology or Z-spheres for procedural basing. You want broad volumes first, so block head, torso, and limb masses quickly to lock proportions. Once the silhouette reads, enable symmetry and store a morph target so you can compare iterations. Make sure to set an appropriate canvas size and project settings. This prevents unwanted resampling later. These initial choices speed sculpting and guide every subsequent detailing pass. So take this first action decisively. Once the base is stable, refine mid-level anatomy using clay buildup for mass, move for silhouette adjustment, and smooth to blend transitions. Alternate brushes to avoid surface rhythm. When forms are correct, run Z-remesher with target polycount and curve guides to establish usable edge loops around joints and facial features. After ritopology, subdivide and project the high-res detail back onto the new mesh so you retain sculpted volumes. Make sure to check topology flow before final subdivision to prevent deformation problems later on. For finalization, carve secondary and skin-level details using DAM standard and alphas and apply surface noise for micro-variation. Alternate between subdiv levels to keep control. Then polypaint basic color and material cues and prepare map baking. Generate normal, ambient occlusion, and displacement maps at appropriate resolutions. Once maps look correct, export OBJ or FBX with maps packed, and immediately test in your renderer or engine to verify scale and shading. If artifacts appear, reproject higher-res detail or adjust cage settings before rebaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.